Hi there, students. A cash cow. A cash cow. Okay, a cash cow is a product or a part of a business or a service that makes a lot of money over a long period for the company that sells it. Yeah. So there are always one or two products that are cash cows. I think, for example, the iPod was a real cash cow for Apple. Yeah. Okay. It's a product. A cash cow is a product or a service that it becomes a market leader, and it makes a lot of money. It grows faster than the market, and it produces profits a long time after you get back your initial investment. So a successful company is always trying to create or acquire cash cows, because these types of business always increase the overall income of the company. They increase the profitability, and a cash cow is a wonderful thing to have. If there is a cash cow in a market, it can mean that it's very difficult for other products to get into a market, because normally if you have a product or a service that's a cash cow, this is a dominant player in the market. Yeah. And it's very difficult to actually compete with something like that. I think also with companies, if a company owns something that's a cash cow, they investors expect a higher dividends. They expect higher returns. So, for example, the Ford Transit van was a cash cow. YouTube is a cash cow for Google. Okay. So these are businesses that make a lot of money. Yeah, a product or a service that provides a steady, dependable source of income over a long period of time. Yeah, it's especially something with a well-known brand name. It has a high market share, and it's something that's expected to go on for a long time. A money spinner, as in the video I made the other day, a money maker. Yeah, it's something that's providing a continuous flow of cash to the company. Yeah, a business, an investment, a product that gives steady profit. So I hope this video that I've made is going to become a cash cow. It's going to get 5,000 views a day for the next 10 years. That'd be brilliant. Yeah, I would get all sorts of advertising from that, and it would definitely then be a cash cow. Yeah, cash cow it also talks about consistency. Yeah, and you can use the money from a cash cow to finance investments in other areas. I guess yeah, if you are a literary agent, then maybe you've got one or two authors who are cash cows. These are the people who make you money. I would guess that yeah, the Beatles were a cash cow for their record label. I think that was Decca, wasn't it? I'm not sure, I might be wrong. Okay, so a business or investment that it's continually profitable. It doesn't stop. Okay, cash cow, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use anywhere. This is a business word. And as to origin, I think the metaphor is it's like a cow, a dairy cow, that you have on a farm that produces milk, and it's offering a steady, continual stream of money, a stream of milk, and you don't have to look after it. It's not very difficult to look after. You just send it out to pasture. You give it water, and then you milk it twice a day, and you get the money comes in. This is the idea of a cash cow. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A cash cow.